Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this Purist LEGO clone Commander Wolffe in his Phase 1 or Phase 2 form. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The legs for this minifigure come from the Phase 1 clone or a Phase 1 clone commander from the minifigure pack that came out the beginning of this year. The waistcape will come from the LEGO ARC Trooper minifigure as well as the backpack build. The torso will be coming from the standard Wolfpack Trooper. This is probably the most expensive minifigure that you'll need to create Commander Wolffe. The head will come from the LEGO Wrecker minifigure because he is missing an eye. And then finally, the hair I will be using comes from Grief Karga. In terms of helmets, you can either go with a standard Phase 1 helmet or the 91st Trooper helmet. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo. Overall, I think the minifigure definitely turned out okay. I prefer having it helmetless, but I understand that some people will want it with a helmet, so I gave two suggestions here. If you have any requests for any minifigures that you would like to see next, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will be sure to get around to that eventually. This one is actually a request. I won't name the person who requested it, but I'm just showing that I do act on my promises. So yeah, if you want to see any other of my Purist customs, feel free to click on the playlist which should be in front of you now.